love you. Oh! Jonas ulit. Oh, Jonas, ang atin na... Ano? 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 Buhay mo naman ang aking ama? So, hindi na ako aalis. Sino na nga aalis?
Eh, di ikaw pa rin. Kasi nakakawawa ko, wala kang kwenta, anak. Now, this is your time to prove na may kwenta ka. Go home, take care of your dad. Buy him new clothes.
Hindi na muna. Buhay pa naman siya. Lalo mamamatayin kung walang pambili ng gamot. Kaya hindi muna ako pwede.
Pero sabi mo kanina, okay.
Dahil mo na! Nagkikita pa naman kami. Umuwi pa naman ako ng bahay, so wala sila doon pagdating ko. Pag uwi naman nila, ipapasok na rin ako sa call center. Pero spending quality time lang yan. Di ba yun ang makapag-iwan?
Quality time. How can you have quality time with them with this kind of setup?
Correct.
Oh, Berna, you can never understand the concept of family because you don't have any. Oh, but you are my family. That's why I still want to say.
Oh, you're so sweet. Yes, you can spend your ass back with it. But the fact that remains that one of us has to leave.
Sige, tama. Pero sige, ganito na lang. Si Elsa, magsimula tayo pantay-pantay.
Tama.
Kung may matatanggal, kailangan natin na isang makamasa, makabayan, at scientific pa marami pagdidesisyon.
Oh my God, I'm not true. Berna, you're mali kahit nakinala all at the same time. Hindi ba sa'yo sinabi niya ito na kanina? And then, just reiterate, no? Kailangan natin ng makamasa, makabayan, at scientific kung mamamahal.
Hindi, bakit alam na namin kayo na tinatanggap na namin yung mga kalakbuan nyo, ha? At saka bakit si Max Julio wala ng pagpili?
Bakit hindi?
Why don't we try something historical? Traditional? Or cultural? Oh, perfect suggestion.
O sige, kung ano man yan.
Tumayo kayo! Ano sinisigil niyo? Tumayo kayo! Tumayo kayo! Ano na naman na, Richie? Dahil ang naisip ko ay ito. Monkey! Yes or no? Ay, ikaw na sumagot! No. N-O.
O sige, analisa natin yung sinasabi mo. Sabi mo, live, work, and be on your own. First, you're on your own, so nakuha mo na yun. You're working, so you got that one also. But, Berna, are you living? Ito, kung may gusto kong patunayan, hindi mo dito yan magagawa. Panandali ang solusyon lamang yan at hindi panghabang buhay. Berna, living is not simply breathing.
So living is not simply breathing. Living is not simply breathing.
Then what is it? Alam mo na anon! Mahirap yung tanong na yan. Eh kahit sabihin siya, mahirap yung mabasa.
That's okay. This company has taught me a lot in life in all fairness. You remember how I told you before? Like I was a machine that goes to work on this? But here it's different. I may have left my mom and my dad and my cute little chihuahua named Chi-Chi. I promise you family, you guys. That's why I still want to stay. Oh, Bessie, that's so touching. We'll miss you when you leave.
Tony, nakalira ka na moment.
It's okay, Richie. This company has taught me how to find my own balance as well. So you were
Sira
saying,
yata
Tony,
yung
Bessie, you wanted me to leave? Idiot! Oh! Double crossing this has corrupt the line that line at an MNBA side. Mom, tumawi na sa mamatay! Yes! I will leave this company! Before I do that, I will make a sword!
flavor of well ang kalusugan mo.
Basta ako alam ko, malusog ako. As in,
Sabi mo naman yan pagka kailangan mo, pero gusto ko yung ano eh.
ang tulad mo ba na ng ibang tao?
Yung, ito pa rin siya mo.
Jennifer, honey, honey, your face.
Hoy!
Tama na yun! Ay!
Pawis.
Alam ko. Pwede. Pwede may dugo. Pwede may dugo. Huwag mo sasabihin sa kanila may sakit ako. Kasi papalitin nila ako, Betty. Thank you.
Ano meron? Ano meron?
Si Tony may tuberculosis.
Ano?
Tama na yan, Tony! Tama na yan, Gerna! Sige na. May tuberculosis ka pa. Kung hindi ka kayang pagalingin ng siyensya, ay papagalingin ka ng aking Panginoon. Sige, lumuhod ka. Lumuhod ka na. Lumuhod ka na. Taas mo ang iyong kamay. Silensyo. Kailangan ko ng silensyo. Sa ngalan ng Ama at ang Jesus ko and Savior as well. Let's take off. Ricky! Gamaan mo ng TV! Alam ko natanong ka ng katawan ng babae ito! Pinawalayas kita! Lumayas ka! Lumayas ka! Ayaw ko. Pula, 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 pula. Pula, 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 pula. Pula, 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 pula. Pula, pula, pula. Richie! Ginukontra niyo kasi. Pura, 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 pura. Pura. Di ba dito ka upo? Ang dugo, parang hindi na dugo. Parang tsokolate. O, titignan ko! Isa pa! Hintayin kong himala! Mula sa Jesus is God! And Savior as well! Ang dugo, naging tsokolate! Magpasalamat tayo pa ng palataya! Mabuti na lamang at narito si Jigsaw para gabayan sa akin.
Hindi lang yata yung dugo kanina.
Pero I don't think na pwede ng bagong leadership ito. Mabuti na lang ang meron tayong health and life insurance. At mukhang magagamit na ni Tony yan sa kanya.
Yeah, just look at her and what she's wearing. She's wearing the kapirasong tela when it's like 0 degrees Celsius here, and you expect her to be all
Wait,
healthy.
kahit naman di malamig din sa pinagtatrabahuan natin, hindi naman talaga healthy itong pinagagawa natin. Pinagbabaliktad kaya natin araw at gabi. Kaya ako minsan nagsasabo na lang para malang...
Nagkakabo ka?
Shashabu ka?
Ibig ko sabihin, instead of shabu, chocolate.